Right, today we're making some honey bear jars. We've got our lovely honeycomb in there, and we're adding some straight honey into these. And this is quite an exciting project to have the kids involved in. Everybody's been helping out with this. Trying to minimize the mess, but it is pretty tricky. We haven't got, full facility for this. We've got a pretty basic setup, but keeping everything real hygienic. We baked the jars in advance, made sure that they were made sterile. And yeah, this is quite an exciting little home hobby. Just making gifts for people, to friends and family, as well as people at the market perhaps. Ooh, getting close to overflow. Love it when those bubbles come up too. I don't know if you can see. That's cool. All right, trying to keep the mess to a minimum. Whoa, going smooth. That honey's flowing. So hypnotizing to watch this and do this. It's tricky not to get lost in the process, but trying to make sure that this is enjoyable to watch as well as enjoyable to eat later. This is such a lovely all-natural product. The bees that we have, we use organic Varroa treatment to keep those mites at bay. No additional chemicals. Trying to do our part to make the bees healthy as well as the surrounding area healthy. Wanting to make sure that we're contributing positively to the world as best we can. It's a tricky thing to balance because there's so many different, pesticides and other things that can cause trouble for these creatures. So just having as many bees as possible helps with the pollination of flowers and fruit trees, and just helps all kinds of ways. And then the honey itself is just beautiful. There's medicinal properties. Oh, getting away from me a bit. I guess I'm gonna have to do this one real slow. That's okay, we can be patient, right? Happy little bears. Bob Ross. Bob Ross was a great man. Really interesting backstory to Bob Ross is that he was a military man before he was a painter. And I think that he was known to be quite a hard man as a drill sergeant. So it's interesting to see his demeanor later in life be calmer and more soothing. And I, as a child, watched Bob Ross painting and found it very relaxing. So it's just hard to imagine him as a hard man and a drill sergeant. All right, I hope you've enjoyed our honey video. Very simple, but we've got these lovely bear jars. I think these are fit for gift. I'll give these a little clean off and get the sticky residue off these honey jars. But thank you very much for watching. Chuck us a like and subscribe if you enjoyed. We're doing things like this every now and then. Got other animals and stuff on our channel. Thank you. See you.